Hello, my dear friends. I'm Stanislav Shamayev, a licensed business immigration and corporate attorney in Miami, Florida. Today, we're going to be discussing a very important topic of O1A visa for businessmen who wants to come to the US, start their own business, or work for other company and grow, and maybe ultimately to get a green card here in the US. At the end of this video, you'll be able to learn how to get a free evaluation of your case, something that other attorneys call a consultation, and want you to pay $300. Let's go. You guys know that I specialize in business, investment, and talent visa immigration, and that's what I'm good at. And O1A visa for business people is one of my favorite visas because I can bring pretty much any of you who are business people outside of the US on O1A visa here in the United States of America, in case you have some success in your business and you have some achievements, some recognition in your field. And I do love this visa in this category because you may open up your own company and that company can play a role of your employer, so you do not have to have some American company sponsoring you for this type of visa. But I'm gonna talk about this closer to the end of this video, so stay tuned. Let's refresh what O1A visa is. If you didn't watch my prior video on this visa, where I describe all criteria one by one, what's needed, what's the process, please watch that, because this is already kind of advanced level for those of you who follow me on YouTube. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, on TikTok, because you can get a lot more details on these type of programs. And the links to my other social media is below this video. Don't forget to sign up. It's very, very important. Stanislav, I'm not a talented business person. I'm just doing my business. Yes, I'm making good money. Nobody really knows me. I probably don't qualify for O1 visa. This is actually true for probably 60 to 70% of my clients. And they tell me the same thing at the beginning, that they don't qualify for this type of visa. And when I build the strategy for their case and I explain how we can improve or make it better or close certain criteria, then it becomes much clearer for you to know. I have, at this point of recording this video, 100% approval rate for all O1 visas, including O1A for business people, right? So I've been doing this for 7 years and I'm in American jurisprudence about 10 years. So you can tell that I know a thing or two about this type of visa and how to get them approved and bring you here to the States. So listen attentively. All we need to do is to show that you have recognition in certain criteria for this type of visa. What are the most popular of them? Well, number one is your income. You make a good money relative to other business people in your country. So you have to pay yourself a salary in order for us to prove that you have a commercial success in your business, or you might have a very high end contracts with other people you do the work for in the business. And when I say business, it's not necessary that you own the company, although probably 70 to 80% of my clients in this category of visa do own the company. However, you could be a marketing person, you could be a manager, you could be a product manager, you could be PR manager, any profession, any occupation. The reason that it is easier for business owners to come here to the States because you guys have more resources and you can open up the company here in the States, and I always can help you with that. Structure it properly, and I also can help you with that. Open a business account and fund it a little bit, have a business plan ready, and the partners of my corporation can help you with the business plan, and that company can be your employer. And again, this is a very important concept to understand, because if you don't have your own company, which is properly registered, established, and funded, you have to have an American employer, another company, who is going to sign the petition for you. The distinction is pretty clear. It's your own company or it's somebody else's company. So criterion number 1 was the high income, we just discussed it. Criterion number 2, the articles about you in major or professional press. And usually this is not a very hard criterion to satisfy. I have a lot of younger businessmen and older businessmen who in their career had the press coverage of the projects they were involved in, or about themselves, about the work, about the life, about their recognition. So if you have at least 2 articles like that, then we will satisfy already 2 criteria. Number 3, your critical role in a company which has high reputation in the field. And this could be your company. If that niche where you're doing the business, the people know you, the people know the company, it doesn't have to be Google or Facebook or some crazy name that everybody knows. It could be a company which is known narrowly in a field where you work. And this is enough for us to prove the reputation of this company. Of course, if you show me the awards, the certifications and the thank you letters and the press about this company, that's gonna make it better. However, it's not a must. There are other ways to show the reputation. And if you played an important and critical role in this company, either you managed it or you did some function in the company that affected the entire structure, then we will be able to show this criteria. Number 4, your own publication. And this is really easy. Just write good publications, good quality content to major press or academic maybe articles or in a professional field. And if you have a couple of them and they maybe some citations on them, it's even better. Then we can satisfy 4 criteria. And there are other ways to prove your talent. So I gave you the 4 most popular ones. However, we have 4 additional and alternative. And again, watch my other O1 videos for you to understand better the criteria that I want from you. However, if you're a business person, most of you guys already satisfy at least 2 or 3, maybe 4. And if not, I can build a strategy for you how to do that right and properly. At the end of the day, all I need from you is for you to know exactly how you're gonna scale and grow your business in the States. So if you are a business person who wants to open a company here and come here on O1 visa and start growing that company, we can do that. But we need to know exactly what you're good at. For me to determine whether you satisfy the criteria or not, I need you to go down below this video and fill out the questionnaire that I prepared for you and give me as many details as you can, so I could give you a free evaluation of your case within 48 hours. Something that other attorneys call a consultation and want you to pay them $300. So don't miss this opportunity. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel and to my Instagram and to my TikTok, so we keep in touch and you get the best and adequate updates of the immigration programs. I am Stanislav Shamayev, the lawyer of the future. Your future begins here. Good luck.